Welcome back to the Pabla Kitchen. Today we are showing you a vegetarian take on a famous Middle Eastern specialty, shawarma. We're taking marinated paneer and charring it to perfection. Then we'll wrap it in naan with fresh and crunchy toppings. It's a match made in heaven. Now let's get started. First, put together this unique blend of spices. Thoroughly mix your spices. Now let's add garlic, lemon juice, and cilantro. Gradually add plain yogurt to your mixture. Now let's marinate your paneer. Sprinkle with crushed cloves and marinate for 20 to 25 minutes. Time to grill your paneer on high heat until it's charred. Let's put together our filling. Start with cabbage, carrots, onions, and cilantro. Go ahead and slice the paneer on top of your filling. This infuses the charred flavors into your topping. Let's start assembling our wrap using whole wheat naan or pita. We're using shawarma sauce, which is a cup of plain yogurt and your leftover marinade. Spread the shawarma sauce on your naan, top with your filling and beetroot pickle. Make sure you check our video on how to make this delicious beetroot pickle. Enjoy your paneer shawarma wrap. This recipe makes about 8 to 10 servings. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for our next video, homemade whole wheat naan.